A few years ago I saw a beautiful wooden brush on Instagram made by Anna Robinson, aka Sharp Tools Full Heart, and it really inspired me to want to make a brush of my own. From her I got put on to Aspen Golan, who's made an amazing array of brushes, and she has a really great tutorial on her Instagram about how to get into brush making, and I ordered some fibres, and I've made a few brushes since, but I thought it'd be interesting to make a little YouTube video about it. There's two basic methods for making up your bristles that I picked up from Aspen. The first is to fold your bunch of bristles in half and poke it through the hole, and the second is to just make a little bundle of bristles as they are in full length. And I've used both depending on how long I want my bristles to be, but I'll start with the fold in half method. So I take a little piece of thread and I'm going to tie a knot around my bundle of bristles. And then I'm going to fold my bristles in half, and I use the ends of the thread to pass through the hole in this board that would be the right size for my bunch of bristles. And then I'm going to tie it around the bunch twice. And I'll lock that thread in place with a little dab of super glue, or CA glue. Once all the glue is dry, I'll come back and just snip off the end of the threads. The other method is to just push the whole bristles through a hole, adding until the hole is full. And I'm going to be quite generous with the glue this time. I kind of want it to work its way in and hold all the fibres together. You can make your bunches of bristles whatever size you like, and small bunches like this do look really nice, but they're about twice the amount of work. I tend to aim for an 8mm hole, and afterwards, once I've made a big batch of them, I'll go through and sort them out into different sizings, 7, 7.5, 8 or 8.5mm, depending on what size hole they actually fit into. And then I know that my brush bristles will be nice and uniform. I'm using some epoxy to glue in the bundles of brush fibres, and I've just got it in this little bottle for ease of getting into all the holes.